Upwork, find talent, find works. Upwork is the best way online get jobs. This is the search interface. You can go www.upwork.com. Upwork, the best platform where enterprises and this is the best way. Maybe my internet speed slow. I face a difficult repeats not responding, but maybe I hope good speeds. I will see you about more works. Hey, stay tuned with me. I learn with you Upwork about press enter. After press enter, now maybe I think internet speeds were good. Upworks how to make money online from Upworks. This is the official website of Upwork. Okay, you can face internet days. On the top left, Upwork's logo, just Upwork. This is the option find talent. Find talent means you can post any what do you want jobs works to hire people. Find works. This search was used to if you want works on Upworks, just use hound skills to make money online, then find works. Upworks, success stories, reviews, how to find works, how to hire. All these options give